Technology is evolving faster than ever. From artificial intelligence to automation, industries around the world are being reshaped in ways we could barely imagine a decade ago. But this rapid transformation also brings a harsh reality. Some jobs are simply not going to survive. In this video, we'll reveal the top jobs predicted to disappear by 2030 and what that means for the future of work. Automation isn't just coming, it's already here. Self-checkout machines are replacing cashiers. Algorithms are doing the work of analysts, and factories are now filled with robots working tirelessly around the clock. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, over 85 million jobs may be displaced by the end of 2025 due to automation. And by 2030, that number could skyrocket. So which roles are most at risk? Let's break them down. First on our list, cashiers. With the rise of self-checkout machines and cashierless stores like Amazon Go, many retailers are cutting back on human staff. Even restaurants and fast food chains are introducing kiosks for ordering and payment. By 2030, it's likely that cashier jobs, especially in large retail chains, will become a thing of the past. Remember when booking a vacation meant visiting a travel office? Those days are long gone. Now, websites and apps can plan an entire trip in minutes, complete with personalized recommendations. Unless agents specialize in luxury or corporate travel, their role is rapidly being replaced by AI and smart algorithms. Next, telemarketers. AI-driven chatbots and voice synthesis software have already taken over many call center jobs. They're faster, cheaper, and never sleep. By 2030, most cold calling campaigns will be fully automated, leaving little room for human telemarketers. It might sound like science fiction, but self-driving vehicles are getting closer to mainstream adoption. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are investing billions into autonomous driving technology. As these vehicles become more reliable and cost-effective, millions of driving jobs, from taxi drivers to delivery and even long-haul truckers, could vanish. 2030 might mark the beginning of the end for human drivers in many parts of the world. Data entry jobs are another casualty of automation. Why pay someone to input data when AI can do it instantly without errors? Smart software can now scan documents, extract data, and organize it automatically. By 2030, routine data entry positions will likely be obsolete in most industries. As digital communication continues to dominate, traditional mail services and print media are declining. Postal workers, newspaper printers, and mail sorters are all seeing a drop in demand. With email, digital subscriptions, and automated sorting machines, these roles are quickly fading out. So what does this mean for the future of work? Yes, some jobs will disappear, but new ones will emerge. Roles we can't even imagine yet. Just as the internet killed some jobs and created millions more, AI and automation will transform the workforce, not eliminate it. Instead of fearing the future, we should prepare for it. Upskilling, reskilling, and adapting to new technologies will be key. So now we ask you, is your job future-proof? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video.